Hi, I'm Jeff Wilson and I am an instructional designer. And I wanted to preview this technology I'm trying to build using Photoshop's built-in UXP to build plugins. So I've developed a plugin that goes inside Photoshop that pulls tutorials from a server on my backend, and hopefully it will be instantiated from Canvas, have a full LTI so that the student can click on the tutorial, connect with the Photoshop tutorial inside Photoshop, run the tutorial, and then get a grade in Canvas afterwards. So far, this is what it looks like. This is the tutorial interface, and it can run steps for students. So I've just opened the file that they need to start on it. It shows what they need to do. So click this, make a new layer called glass ball. And then it says make a selection here. You can check it. It's able to check what things are extant. It's not necessarily able to check on a pixel level. It can also give hints. So now we're going to change the foreground color to D6, D3, C0. And we're going to fill it with that. You can get check, go to the next step. Now we're going to add an inner shadow to this. You can do that by grabbing the effects inner shadow, or you can double click that. Let's just use this. And then we just follow the instructions that are right here. I could automate this, but we don't want to completely eliminate cognitive load, right? Need to make sure that's linear dodge. Opacity 42. I'm going to turn on global light and make it 59. Angle, distance is 70 pixels. And the size is 125 pixels. And you hit OK. And then you can check it. If you need a hint, it'll give hints also. Choose inner shadow, confirm the color swatch is white. There you go. You check it. That's right. You go to the next step. This is an automated step. So if I run that step, it creates the clipped gradient. Now, if I wanted to, I could make that simply by having the student do this. Or you can automate things, especially if they've already shown mastery of that certain thing, then maybe some of the automation gets more robust as they move through the course, and things that they already know how to do, you could just automate. So it makes it easier for them also. I could go all the way through this. I just wanted to show how it works, but at the end, after the number of steps up here, when you get to 13 out of 13, you win a prize, and it should deposit your grade back in Canvas. That's the reason I need developer permissions or LTI permission. Either way, I'm really excited about this because it's not just Photoshop. Any product that Adobe supports that has UXP built into it, I can build a tutorial system to be delivered inside that application. And I haven't even scratched the surface yet. This is just happening inside of my panel, but I'm pretty sure that I can use SVGs to show where things are, like tooltips. This could be very powerful technology. Thanks for listening.